General Saltzman, you mentioned a moment ago about facilitating and lowering barriers for new entrants into launch. And we're on a trajectory now to go from several thousand satellites in orbit to nearly 100,000 over the next decade. I don't see how we get that many launches up to support what we need in the proliferated architecture. I mean, you need help. And my question is, and I'm trying to figure out, is on those range services, those day of launch services, why is the Space Force involved in commercial, not national security, but commercial launches and providing those services and getting reimbursed then by commercial providers? Why aren't we opening that up to other commercial providers that can provide those same day of launch services?
Yeah, part of it is the way we built the ranges, the way we've built our policies and procedures around protecting the ranges, the safety associated with the ranges. It probably does warrant us going back and re-looking to say, now that there are commercial entities that are capable of providing complete end-to-end launch services, does there need to be a re-look at the model?
FCC has 60 to 65,000 applications, a backlog, right? That's 65,000 birds waiting to go up. If you figure a Falcon 9 can put up 50, like, do the math how long that's going to take. And I talked to the folks at Boca Chica, and they're wondering, why am I reimbursing the Space Force for commercial launch when I could be reimbursing and dealing with commercial companies that can help us move faster? So I would encourage you, and the committee, I think, is happy to work with you on how to open that aperture. And by the way, it's in law. Years ago, when these real capabilities didn't exist, but now they do, for you to certify that those capabilities don't exist before the U.S. government takes on that function. So I'd certainly encourage you to take a hard look at that.